How to choose the right bathroom fittings to handle hard water problems. A perfect bathing experience can only be possible with the right combination of quality and design bath fitting. Bathroom isn't just a place to maintain body hygiene, but also it's a place for experience. But in India, there are cities with hard water and its effects are challenging. One of the simplest things to do is use appropriate hardware in your bathroom. The best bathroom faucets for hard water help alleviate some of the buildup from extra minerals like calcium and magnesium found in hard water that can make it difficult to keep surfaces clean. Ways to minimize hard water impacts on bathroom fittings. Bath fittings with inside brass bodies resist corrosion and ensure efficiency and durability at the same time. Look for faucets that have an aerator. An aerator is a helpful feature if you have hard water because it prevents splashing so that hard water deposits aren't transferred across your sink surface. Consider installing a shower head filter to remove hard water minerals and other contaminants from your water. These specialized filters are best suited for people sensitive to the minerals in hard water, which can aggravate skin conditions like eczema. A shinier finish will resist scratches better, whereas a matte finish will mask water spots and fingerprints well. A nicely built bathroom can provide a rich experience and give a rejuvenating moment. Visit a nearby Buildpro store to explore a wide range of durable, elegant and modern home building products and fittings for your house. Truly, a one-stop shop for all your building products and solutions. Build with Buildpro.